let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 2 of chapter number 14, statistics, and one question is left out in first exercise, that is missing frequency related question. So today we are going to complete that question and along with some more questions which is based on missing frequency questions, okay, related to mean, क्योंकि मीडियन में भी मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है और मोड में भी है. So here this missing frequency based questions is related to mean only. So this is question number 3. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. So here mean is given 18. Find the missing frequency f. This frequency we need to find. Okay, so we'll start. I'm using a step deviation method. So first of all, we have to find the class mark. So सबका class size same है, right? The class size is 2. And what is the class mark of first class interval? First class interval का class
12.
mark क्या? 12, right? So we'll write 12. Now what we will do, the class size is same for all the classes, that is 2. So we are going to add 2 one by one. Okay, पूरा continuous 2 ऐड करते जाएंगे. So 12 के बाद 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now see, we are going to assume 18. 18 यहाँ पे middle term है. 18 is the middle term here. And middle term नहीं भी होगा तो एक कुछ मैं प्रायोरिटी बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी रिलेटेड. सो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी जो मीन दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, अगर मीन जो दिया हुआ है, इफ इट इज इन दिस कॉलम, देन यू हैव टू assume that number. Okay, if mean is not given, then we have to assume the number which corresponds to the missing frequency. Whether this is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
क्लास मार्क कॉलम में पहले चेक करेंगे कि जो मीन दिया हुआ है वो नंबर है क्या. अगर दिया है वो नंबर, सो दैट यू हैव टू अज्यूम. अदरवाइज द नंबर करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द फ्रीक्वेंसी, मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी, यू हैव टू अज्यूम दैट इज 20. सपोज अगर मीन यहाँ पे 24 या कुछ भी दिया हुआ है, नहीं 21 दिया हुआ है, so I will assume missing the number corresponds to missing frequency, that is 20. Okay, clear है? अगर मीन
Yes,
15 भी दिया है, मीन 15 is given, 15 यहाँ बीच में, but I will take 20 as assume mean. So these are two priorities. Okay, priorities समझ में आ गया. First priority, you have to give the mean, whether the number is in the column of class mark, that you have to take assume mean. The second priority is that the number below corresponds to missing frequency, that you have to take. Okay, fine. अभी तो 18 ले लिए, so यहाँ पे हम लोग 0 लिखेंगे. Okay, 1, 2, 3, फिर ऊपर के साइड से नेगेटिव वैल्यूज -1, -2, -3. Okay, now f into u, next column. So 7 into -3, -21, 6 into -2, -12, 7 into -1, 9 into -1, -9, 13 into 0, 0, f into 1, f, 5 into 2, 10, and 4 into 3, 12. So we'll get these numbers. Now see carefully, this -2 plus 2 we can cancel it, and this is -30, this 2, and this is +10. So we'll get f -20, and the total frequency we have to add all this. Okay, so see how will you add this 20, 15, 35, 40, 44. So 44 plus f, and this is f minus 20. Whether these two are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to write the formula of mean by step division method. So first A we took 18 and H is the class size, that is common class size, that is 2, and this is the formula, and the mean is given 18, and we'll substitute all the values. So 18 is equals to 18 plus f minus 20 upon 44 plus f into 20. Now see, this 2 will be cancelled. ये इसको यहाँ shift करेंगे तो minus 0 हो जाएगा. So that is why this is the advantage of taking the number 18. अगर mean है तो mean को लेने से ये एक advantage है, यहाँ पे 0 हो जाएगा. And finally what we will get, f minus 20 is equals to 0, because if you multiply 0 with any number, that will be 0. If you divide 0 by any number, that will be equals to 0. So we'll get 0 is equals to 2 into f minus 20 upon 44 plus f. So this will imply f minus 20 is equals to 0. And what is the final answer?
F is equals to 20.
Right, f is equals to 20.
20.
So whether this method is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
we'll move towards the next question. एक और क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं हम लोग, मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. Here one more frequency is missing. Okay, this is CBSE 2013 question. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is 24, find the value of P. Okay, so we'll make one table. So what is the class mark of first class?
5.
5.
Five.
The class size of all the classes are same. So we'll add 5. Will 10 add 10 to every number, 5 consecutively. Okay, 5 के बाद 15, then 25, then 35, then 45. Now we have to assume one number. So our mean is 24. First we have to check whether the mean is here or not. So नहीं है. So I will take the number corresponding to the missing frequency, that is 25. And coincidentally this is the middle term also. So don't think that I took middle term. I took the number corresponding to missing frequency, that is 25. So 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, now f into u. So first 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, p into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 2, 4. So we'll get minus 6, minus 4, 0, 3, 4. So 4, 4 we can cancel it, and minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3. And this total frequency is P plus 12. Okay, P plus 12, and here we will get minus 3. Now A is 25 and H is 10. So we'll write the formula of mean, and mean is given 24. So 24 is equals to 25 plus minus 3 upon P plus 12 into 10. We'll shift to 25 to this side. So क्या हो जाएगा?
Minus 20.
Minus 25. So we'll get minus 1. Okay, this minus minus we can cancel it. Now cross multiply. So P plus 12 is equals to 30. So again shift plus 12 to this side. So we'll get P is equals to 30 minus 12, and the final answer is 18. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is only one missing frequency type question. Now I'm going to show one more example in which two frequencies are missing, and this is also CBSE question 2014. The mean of the following data is given 42, and here two missing frequencies are there, X and Y. Okay, if the sum of the frequencies is 100, so 7 plus 10 plus X plus 13 plus Y plus 10 plus 4 plus 9, the sum of all these frequencies is 100. Now we'll find first class mark. सभी का क्लास साइज सेम है, सो पहला वाला निकालेंगे 5, उसके बाद 10 10 ऐड करते जाओ। सो 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75। अभी यहाँ पे जो मीन दिया हुआ है, ओके, जो मीन दिया हुआ है, मीन कितना दिया हुआ है पिछले क्वेश्चन में, इसमें 42 इज गिवन, नॉट पिछले क्वेश्चन, in this question the mean is given 42. Okay, so we have two options. मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ वाले को अज्यूम करने के लिए कहा था मैंने, तो मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन है, कौन कौन सा, 25 और 45। तो छोटे नंबर को अज्यूम करना है, राइट। यू कैन टेक 45 ऑल्सो एज अज्यूम, बट जितना नीचे जाएंगे विल गेट मोर नेगेटिव वैल्यूज, सो दैट इज वाई जो मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ वाले जो नंबर है उसमें छोटा नंबर लेना है। ओके, तो इसके स्ट्रेट में 0 लिखो। नाउ दिस इज 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and above you have to write the minus value, minus negative integers, -1, -2. Clear? So we took 25 as assuming. Now f into u, first -14, -10, 0, 13, 2y, 30, 56, 45. Okay, now we have to add this two. So 2y को सेपरेट कर लो और ये चारों नंबर्स को ऐड कर लो, then subtract this -24, subtract 24. Okay, so what you will get, first you have to add here also, यहाँ पर भी ऐड करना है। टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ 100, सो यहाँ पे समेशन f 100 लिख दिए, and if you add all this you will get 2y plus 120. Okay, 2y plus 120. Now what is the sum of all the frequency? 100. तो अगर इसको पूरा ऐड करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा, देखो 17 plus 13, 30, 40, 54, 63. So x plus y plus 63 is equals to 100. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is x plus y? 100 minus 63, that is 37. So यहाँ पर देखो कौन सा वेरिएबल है इसमें, only y. So we can write x is equals to 37 minus y. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll write the formula, that is x bar is equals to a plus summation fu upon summation f into h. The mean is given 42 and a we took 25, and summation fu is 2y plus 120 and summation f is 100. So we'll substitute all the values. Now shift this 25 to this side. So 42 minus 25 कितना होगा, 17. 17 is equals to 2y plus 120 upon 10, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक एक जीरो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Now cross multiply, it will become 170. So 2y plus 120 is equals to 170. Now shift plus 20 to this side. 120 को इस तरफ शिफ्ट करो, minus 120. So what is y? 2y.
Sir, 50.
25.
So what is y?
Sir,
25.
25. Right.
25.
तो y निकल गया. अभी x का वैल्यू था 37 minus y. So we'll substitute here. So we'll get x is equals to 37. 37 minus y था. 37 minus 25 substitute करेंगे. So we'll get 12. Hence x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 25. Whether this method is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ठीक है. अभी कुछ स्टूडेंट लोग बोलते हैं कि सर हम डायरेक्ट मेथड ही यूज करना चाहते हैं. सो डायरेक्ट मेथड का एक मैं ट्रिक बता रहा हूँ कैसे सॉल्व करना है. डायरेक्ट मेथड में इसको कैसे करेंगे, f into x राइट, f इंटू एक्स मिलेगा. सो हम लोग को दो इक्वेशंस मिलेंगे. सो दो इक्वेशंस वाला मेथड यूज नहीं करना है. सो आई विल show you with one example how you have to use direct method in this question. Take this question, 2010 board question. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is 65.6, find the missing frequency f1, f2. So first of all, सबसे पहले हम लोग f1 और f2 के बीच में रिलेशन निकालेंगे. हाउ? Add all these numbers. 5 plus 8 plus f1 plus 20 plus f2 plus 20 is equals to 50. So 8 plus 22 is 10, 35. So f1 plus f2 is equals to 15 आ रहा है. So f2 को हम लोग 15 minus f1 लिख सकते हैं. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
अब हम लोग का ये वाला टेबल है, देखो ध्यान से. मैं f2 को रिप्लेस कर दूंगा अभी मैं. f2 can be replaced by 15 minus f1. अब यहाँ पे एक ही वेरिएबल है, देखो. नाउ यू विल नॉट गेट टू इक्वेशंस. अगर डायरेक्ट मेथड यूज करना है तो ऐसे करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्लास मार्क?
20.
20. एंड द क्लास साइज ऑफ ऑल द क्लासेस आर सेम. सो 20 20 ऐड करते जाओ. 20, then 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Right, now f into x. Now multiplying these two numbers is very easy. What you will get? 5 into 20,
100.
100. 8 into 40,
320.
320. Okay, f1 into 60,
60 F1.
60 f1. 20 into 80,
1600.
right. Now this, if you multiply these two number,
1500 minus 100 F1.
very good, 1500 minus 100 f1. Now the last one,
240.
420, right. So we'll get these numbers. Now add all the numbers except these two, because these two we have to simplify separately. ठीक है, बाकी सारे numbers ऐड करो. 100 plus 320 plus 1600 plus 1500 plus 240, क्योंकि ये दोनों को करेंगे तो -40 आ रहा है, देखो. Right, so 3760 minus 40 f1 we got summation fx. Now what is the formula of mean? Summation fx upon summation f, right? And mean is given. What mean is given? Mean 65.6 दिया हुआ है. So 65.6 is equals to 3760 minus 40 f1 upon 50. Now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get 3280. फिर ये दोनों पे इंटरचेंज करो. So we'll get 40 f1 is equals to 3760 minus 3280. So we'll get 480. So what is f1?
12.
12, right. So f2 था 15 minus f1. So f2 will be 15 minus 12, that is 3. So how this method is you are feeling? This is direct method. Hence f1 is equals to 12 and f2 is equals to 13. Only thing is that you change the second frequency in terms of first frequency. तो यहाँ पे एक ही वेरिएबल मिलेगा पूरा सॉल्व करते समय. So you will not get any two equations. Otherwise, if you will not replace, then you will get two equations. फिर दोनों equation को solve करो elimination method से या substitution method से. So this method is very easy. If you follow this way, so direct method is also very easy. Otherwise, that was also fine. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to start mode of grouped data. So mode is that value among the observation which occurs most often. That is the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार repeat होता है. That is the mode. Okay. Finding mode from the ungrouped data is very easy. See, example, a set of these numbers. You can easily find out that 16 is repeated 3 times maximum times, so 16 is the mode. And set of these numbers has no mode. Why? Because no number is repeated maximum times. सब एक ही बार है. Now set of numbers 4, 4, 6, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10. It has two numbers which has maximum frequency, that is 8 and 9. So इसके दो modes हैं यहाँ पे. So इसको बोलते हैं bimodal situations. And in our syllabus bimodal situation is not there. So इसलिए don't worry, you will not get any bimodal situation in your questions. ठीक है, एक ही highest frequency रहेगा. Right? So in a grouped frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at the frequencies. जबकि ungrouped में you can see the frequency and you can find out the mode. So इसके लिए एक अलग formula है. That formula we are going to learn. Okay, the mode is a value inside the model class and is given by this formula. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now this is very long formula, you have to remember, you have to practice. इसको मैं दूसरे फॉर्मूले से भी मैं बताऊंगा जब हम लोग रिवीजन करेंगे. ठीक है, फिलहाल ये टेक्स्ट बुक में यही फॉर्मूला है तो हम लोग इससे कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं. सो L क्या है, F1 क्या है, F0 क्या है, F2 क्या है, H क्या है, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन वन बाय वन. L is the model class, lower class of model class. Okay, lower limit of model class. मॉडल क्लास क्या है, जिसका फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज्यादा है. आई रिपीट, मॉडल क्लास इज द क्लास इंटरवल whose frequency is maximum. Now F1 is the frequency of that model class and H is the size of the class interval. F0 जो है F1 से पहले का क्लास फ्रीक्वेंसी और F1 के बाद का फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, सो हाउ विल यू राइट? F0 is the frequency of the preceding class of the model class. Okay, and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So this is the formula. Okay, now I will show you one example. I will explain with the help of one example how you have to use this formula. Okay, so the marks distribution of 30 students in a mathematics examination are given below. Find the mode of this data. So यहाँ पे हम लोग को separate table बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So which is the highest frequency here? Highest frequency कौन सा है यहाँ पर?
40, 55.
मैंने पूछा frequency 7.
7.
Okay, अब वो किस क्लास का है? 40 to 55.
40.
Right. So this is the model class. So we'll start with that step only. Since the maximum number of students have got marks in the interval 40 to 55, so the model class is 40 to 55. Now what is the lower limit of this class?
40.
40. So L is equals to 40. And what is the class size?
5.
15.
15.
Right. Or F1 is the frequency of model class and F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So whether you are able to identify all these numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Values, whether you are able to
Yes, sir.
identify F0, F1, F2. So L is equals to 40, H is equals to 15, F1 is 7, F0 is 3 and F2 is 6. Now you have to write the formula and you have to substitute. So this is the formula. We are going to substitute L is equals to 40, F1 7, F0 3, 2 into F1, that is 2 into 7, 14, minus 3, minus 6. Okay, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 14 minus 6 minus 3 is 5. So you'll get 4 by 5. This you can cancel. So 40 plus 12. What is the final answer?
52.
Yes,
52.
52. Hence, the mode marks is 52. So in this way, you have to find the mode. What is the important you have to remember is that the formula. अगर formula याद नहीं है तो फिर मुश्किल है. Okay. So now we are going to start the exercise. First question. Exercise 14.2. The first question, altogether 6 questions are there, and we have to complete all 6 questions. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. Now, one more point I would like to tell you that we are taking lower limit of the model class in the formula. So the class interval should be in exclusive form, that is continuous form. अगर continuous नहीं है तो you have to make it continuous before solving the question, right? So which is the highest frequency here?
23.
23. So this is F1. Immediately you write F1 जब भी mode का question आता है, and this is model class. Okay, and F1 से पहले वाला जो frequency है that is F0. F1 के बाद वाला जो frequency है that is F2. And what is the class size of all the class interval?
10.
10. So what is the value of L?
35.
35. So all values we have. So here model class is 35 to 45. Why? Because in 35 to 45 the maximum number of patients is 23. So L is equals to 35 and H is equals to 10. F1 is 23, F0 is 21, F2 is 14. Now write the formula. Substitute. So 35 plus 23 minus 20 upon 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. This will become 46, and the numerator, this will become 2. 46 minus 35 हो जाएगा 11. So 35 plus 2 by 11 into 10. So 20 by 11, if you solve, you will get 1.8 approximately. So final answer is 36.8 years approx. Any doubt in this one? Now we
No,
have
sir.
to find mean. अभी mean निकालना है. So mean के लिए now we have to make one table. So we are going to find the mean by using step deviation, not step deviation, direct method only. Why direct method? क्योंकि यहाँ पे पूरे क्लास मार्क में हम लोग को मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 आएगा. देखो फर्स्ट वन 10, second one 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and to multiply with these numbers are very easy. Yes. So 6 into 10, 60, 11 into 20, 220, 21 into 3, 630, 23 into 4, 40, 920, 14 into 50, 700, and 5 into 60, 300. So we have to add all these numbers. Okay. So total frequency is 80 and fx, the sum is 2830. So the mean is 2800 summation fx upon summation f. So 2830 upon 80, we can cancel 1 0. So if you divide, you will get 35.37 years approx. So we got mode and we got median also, and our interpretation is that the mode is equals to 36.8 years we got, and mean is equals to 35.37. What is mean? Average. So the average year of all the patients is 35.37, and the maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.8 years. Whether this is clear to all of you? In this way you have to give your interpretation. The maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.8 years approx, that is mode, while on an average the age of patient admitted to the hospital is 35.37 years, that is mean. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 2. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. So total frequency is given here 225. So lifetime it is given in the form of class interval, and we have to find only model lifetime, means mode we have to find. So no need to prepare separate table, but in exam you have to you have to make a rough table also. ऐसा नहीं कि क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ इसलिए टेबल नहीं बनाया, ये टेबल बनाना है एग्जाम में. यहाँ पे मैं नहीं बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि इस स्लाइड में ऑलरेडी टेबल दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. सो विच इज द हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी हियर?
61.
एंड व्हाट इज द मॉडल क्लास?
60 to 80.
60 to 80.
Right. So this is the model class, and this is F1. What is F0?
52.
52.
Right. What is F2?
38.
38.
Okay. What is L?
60.
60.
What is H?
20.
20. Okay, fine. So here model class is 60 to 80 because this class has maximum frequency, that is 61. And the L, the value of L is equals to 60, H is 20, F1 61, F0 52, and F2 38. After writing this, we have to write the formula. Okay, then we have to substitute 60 plus 61 minus 52 upon 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38. So 2 into 61 126 हो जाएगा, 126 minus 90, and the numerator 61 minus 52 is 9. So we'll get 9 upon 122 minus 90. 2 into 61 is 122, right, minus 90. So 9 upon ये हो जाएगा 32. ओके, सो अभी थोड़ा सा कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. वी कैन कैंसिल इट बाय 4 4 5 and 4 8. So 60 plus 45 by 8 we got, and if you divide these two, we'll get 5.625. So the final answer is 65.625. Okay, hence the modal time lifetime is equals to 65.625 hours. If you round up, you can write after this 65.63 hours. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 3. Question number 3, the following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. That means mode you have to find. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. That means mean also we have to find. अभी मैं इस स्लाइड में मैं सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता. सो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में मुझे टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा. सो एक छोटा सा रफ टेबल बना लिया. So you also have to make a rough table while solving in your answer paper. So which frequency is highest here?
40.
40.
So this is F1. And what is F0?
24.
Right. ओके अभी यहाँ पर एक डाउट एक मन में आ रहा होगा कि अगर मान लो F1 सबसे ऊपर आ गया तो यू हैव टू टेक F0 एज 0. F1 अगर सबसे नीचे आ गया लोएस्ट सबसे यहाँ पर लास्ट क्लास इंटरवल में तो F2 को 0 लेना है. Whether that is clear?
Yes, sir.
What is model class here?
One thousand five hundred to 2000.
Right. जिस क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी ज्यादा है वो मॉडल क्लास है. And what is H here? Class size?
500.
500. Okay. So we'll write first the model class is 1500 to 2000. Why? Because in this class the maximum frequency, the maximum number of families is 40. So L is 1500, H is 500, F1 is 40, F0 is 24 and F2 is 33. So after this we have to write the formula. Now substitute all the values. 1500 plus 40 minus 24 upon 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 23. So ये हो जाएगा 80 minus 57 and this will become 16. Okay, so 1500 plus 16 upon 80 minus 57 into 500. Further, if you subtract these two, what you will get?
23.
Right, 23. So now 16 into 500 क्योंकि 23 is a prime number, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे दोनों को इंटू करके 23 से डिवाइड करेंगे. So 8000 divided by 23 will get 347.83 approximately. So the final answer is 1847.83. Okay, any doubt in this part? Now we have to calculate mean also. So we got model monthly expenditure is equals to rupees 1847.83. Now for mean I would like to go for step division method क्योंकि numbers बड़े बड़े हैं यहाँ पे and the class size of all the class are same. So first class mark 1250. Now 50 add करते जाओ. So we'll get this one. And in the middle we have two numbers. The smaller one we will take as a assuming. That I told you in yesterday class also. The smaller one we have to take as assuming. तो यहाँ पे 0 लिखना है, फिर 1, 2, 3, 4 और ऊपर नेगेटिव इंटीजर -1, -2, -3. This is shortcut to write. Okay, otherwise if you calculate also you'll get the same answer. Right, now F into U. First 24 into -3 -72, 40 into -2 -80, 33 into -1 -33, 28 into 0 0, 30 into 1 30, 22 into 2 44, 16 into 3 48 and the last one 7 into 4 is 28. Now total frequency already in the question it is given, total frequency is 200. Now we will add this 3 and this 4, then we will subtract. Okay, so we'll get -35. Now what is A? 2750 and H is 500, that we are going to write here, and we have to write the formula also. This is the formula. A is 2750 plus -35 upon 200 into 500. तो यहाँ पे ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, right? So 2750 minus 175 by 2. So divide then subtract. 87.5 subtract करेंगे तो we got the final answer 2662.5. Hence, mean monthly expenditure is equals to rupees 2662.5. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards the next question. Question number 4. Here also we have to find mode and mean. Both we have to find. Okay, and then we have to interpret the two measures also. So the following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India, and we have to find mode and mean of this data. So again, in the next slide, I will not be able to see this table. So I have to draw the rough table. So this is my rough table, and which is the highest frequency here?
10.
10.
10. तो ये F1 हो जाएगा, और F1 से पहले F0, F1 के बाद
F2.
F2, एंड जिस क्लास का हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो मॉडल क्लास 30 to 35. So we'll start from that only. Model class is 30 to 35. Why? Because its frequency is maximum. And L is equals to 30. What is the value of H?
5.
5. F0 is 9, F1 is 10, and F2 is 3. ये पूरा लिखने के बाद now we'll write the formula. Now we'll substitute all the values. 30 plus 10 minus 9 upon 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 into 5. So this will become 20 minus 12. The numerator will become 1. Okay. This will become 8. So 30 plus 5 by 8. 5 by 8, if you simplify, if you solve, you will get 30 plus 0.625. So final answer is 30.625. Hence the mode of the data is 30.6 approximately. Round up to one place. Because in NCERT this answer is given. Otherwise, if you want to round up to 3 place, 30.63. Any doubt in this mode? Now we have to find mean of this data. So step division method we are going to use. All the class size are same, that is 5, and the first class mark is 17.5. उसके बाद 5 ऐड करते जाओ. Okay, and in between two numbers are there. In between two numbers are there, and I took the greater number here. Okay, I took the greater number. You can take this number also, just to show that कि we can calculate by taking greater number also. So यहाँ पे 0 आएगा, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4. Without calculating, we are writing here. Okay. Right, now F into U, -12, -24, -18, -10, 0, 0, 0, 6. Now add all this. We'll get 64, -64. And the total frequency already 35 it is given, and this will be -64 plus 6 will be -58. So we got all the values. A is 37.5, H is 5. Write the formula of mean step division method. Substitute all the values. A is 37.5 minus 58 upon 35 into 5. So this we can cancel 7. 58 by 7 हो गया. 58 by 7 is 8.29 approximately, and the final answer is 29.21 approximately. Okay, so one place round up करेंगे तो 29.2. So now we have to interpret. So what we have to write, most states or oblique UT have a student teacher ratio of 30.6, that is mode, and on an average this ratio is 29.2, that is mean. Okay, so whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving towards question number 5. इसके बाद last question है. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. This is very old data. Okay, so runs scored is given and the number of batsmen. This is the frequency, and we have to find only mode of this data. So we'll start with the table, rough table. So this is the rough table. Which frequency is the highest frequency?
18.
18. So ये F1 हो गया
18.
और ये मॉडल क्लास हो गया और ये F0 after F1 F2. And what is the value of H here? 1000. And what is the value of L?
4,000.
4000. Right. So first we will start with the model class. Model class is 4000 to 5000. Why? Because its frequency is highest, that is 80. And L is 4000, H is 1000, and F1 is 18, F0 is 4, and F2 is 9. After writing this, we have to write the formula. Now formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now substitute the values. 4000 plus 18 minus 4 upon 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 into 1000. So this will become 14 और ये हो जाएगा 36 minus 13, right? So 14 upon this will become 23. So 14 into 1000, 14,000 upon 23. 23 is a prime number. इसको 23 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 608.69 approximately आएगा. So the final answer is 4608.7. Okay. So hence the mode is equals to 4608.7 approximately runs. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Now we are moving towards the
No,
last
sir.
question of today's session. That is, a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. So now lot of places there here. So I'm not going to make one rough table as I'm using the same table. What is the highest frequency here?
20.
So this is F1. F1 से पहले वाला F0. F1 के बाद वाला frequency F2. Right? और जिस क्लास का highest frequency है उसको model class. So this is L. What is H?
10.
10.
10. Right. So we'll start with the model class 40 to 50. Why? Because in this class the frequency is maximum, that is 20. And already we discussed all the values. L is 40, H is 10, F1 is 20, F0 is 12, and F2 is 11. After that, what is your next step? Write the formula. Then substitute all the values. So 40 plus 20 minus 12 upon 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11. So this will become 8. This will become 40 minus 23 into 10. Again 40 minus 23 will become 17. So 40 plus 80 upon 17. Now divide 80 by 17. You will get approximately 4.705. Hence the total value is, the total answer is, final answer
44.7.
right,
44.
44.705, approximately 7 only. Hence mode is equals to 44.7 cars nearly. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving towards the next section, that is assignment questions. Only 3 questions are there. All 3 questions are from board questions only. 2014 के 2 questions हैं और 2013 का 1 question है. Okay. So if you want to take screenshot, you can take it now, and you have to complete all these questions. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.